This is a demonstration on how to use Google Sheets to create a table and a graph and then insert them into Google Docs. So open up the browser, Chrome, Google Sheets, okay, and start with a blank document. Let's zoom in to get some bigger sizes. Oh, I can't seem to do that. Maybe a bit bigger. Alright, let's get some data in there. Oh, I can't spell.
There's some data.
Yes.
Data.
Yes.
Data.
Yep, you got it. Funny word, isn't it?
Data.
So let's... Okay,
Sydney.
now I'm going to put a border around this table. So I choose this option over here, borders. Where you see a full solid line, that means a solid border. Where you see dashes or dots, that means you're going to take out the line, put something else in there. So I'm going to choose a thick border around the outside. I choose maybe, which is this one over here, thick. Let's make it whatever, red, and I'll make it an outline. There we are. So let's have a border going down the center. So I will choose this vertical one here, and I have a border going across there at the bottom, and I'll choose this one over here. Now let's get some background colors to the headers. I select those two areas there, and I fill this in. Let's say a kind of grey, for medium grey for that. Alright, and if you get a heading for your table,
let's say mini grey. You made it bigger.
Yes, easy to see. Alright, so there is a very simple table in Google Sheets. Now let's turn this into a graph. So I'll select this.
Spelling!
Yeah, okay. Let me get on with this, eh? Yeah. So let me left click on the top left corner of the table and then keep my finger to press on the left mouse button, dragging it over here to this corner over there, and I'll release the left mouse button. And there it is. Okay. Now I go up to insert, and I will insert a chart. I'm recording, Austin. Okay, and it comes up with by default a pie chart, it seems, but anyway, we'll change that. So I'll change this to a. Now, this kind of data here is going to be suitable for drawing also a column chart or bar chart. So here I go. Or this one over here. There it is. And fortunately for me, it's got all the titles done for me. And I guess if you want to edit things, you just click in there and edit the values, or to include things like the units of measurement. And voila. So the next step is to copy and paste the table and graph into Word. So I'll select this area over here for my table, right click and copy. Then I'll go to Google Docs. And start a new document or edit an existing document. Find a suitable insertion point, right click and paste. If I choose this option over here, it means that if I edit my sheets, it will automatically update the data to my Google Doc. If I choose this option, it means the data won't be linked across. So maybe this is better. And there we are. And I'll try and get rid of that formatting by taking out the borders. Maybe just delete the entire row there. and redo the title. So population or something similar. Alright, find another suitable insertion point for my chart and go back to here. Click on this, Control C to copy, go back to Docs and Control V or right click to paste. This time I'll make it unlinked. And there we are, a table and a chart in Google Sheets, then copied across to Google Docs. So when you do this yourself, tinker around with the options and you'll find the functionality of Google Docs and Google Sheets is very similar to Microsoft Word and Excel. So good luck.